Let's learn how to remove an email address on Facebook. It's very simple and can be done in just a few steps. If you want to follow along and learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video. To start, you must first ensure your Facebook app is updated. To do this, go to the App Store. When the App Store opens, click on the option in the bottom right corner. After clicking, type Facebook, and a page will open where Facebook is located. If it says Open next to it, you have the latest version. If it says Update, click on it and wait a bit. Once you are sure your Facebook app is updated, we can begin. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app by clicking the Open button. When Facebook opens, you'll be on the home page, and you need to go to the menu option located in the bottom right corner. After clicking on this, a page with many options will open, and you need to click on your profile at the top of this page. After clicking on your profile, you will see your profile page, where you need to click the gray Edit Profile button next to the blue button. After clicking that, a page will open, and you need to scroll all the way down to find the option Edit Your About Info. After clicking on this, you will see Contact Info written in black letters with an Edit button next to it. Click on the Edit button, and a page with several options will open. You need to click on Manage Contact Info. Once you've done that, on the newly opened page, click on your email address. When you click on it, a page will open where you need to select your Facebook account instead of Delete Email Address. After clicking on your Facebook account, a page with a few options will open. Here you need to click on the Delete from Facebook option. After doing this, you have successfully removed the email address on Facebook. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.